Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Kusama coin. The price line of Kusama has been rejected by a very strong rejection line on the weekly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will be moved more down after this rejection or it will be reversed back to break out this very strong rejection line on the weekly time frame chart. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. First of all, let me share my previous analysis with you, and then I'll take you to the live chart. And these two were my major ideas which I shared back in June to July 2021. And this was a big bullish harmonic shark move that was formed on the 2-day chart. The price action moved in the potential reversal zone, and after playing the chart, we can see the price line was moving at $194, and so far it has rallied up to $451. And at the same time, the price line also formed this broadening formation, and I told you that the price line can have a very nice bounce from here to at least reach up to this resistance of this broadening formation. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line is moved very close to this rejection line or resistance line, but it is now moving down. Therefore, I told you that right now this movement is changed from this broadening wedge to this falling wedge on the weekly time frame chart, and this is the resistance. You can see that the price line is getting rejected by this resistance, and this time the price line was again rejected. Let me show you the daily time frame chart first, and then I'll take you to the weekly time frame. And here we can see that we have a very strong key level support zone starting from $270 and goes to $300. And after this rejection, we can see that we had a very nice powerful rally from $194 to $451, and here we have found a resistance approximately at $420, because this is the point where we have different touch points, several touch points, and the price line is moving down, and it has broken down the previous supports which were before that were working as a resistance. That is $380 and $350. Right now the price line is moving between $300 to $350 support and resistance level, and this is a very strong support zone. Previously we can see that the price line it was working as a very strong support and resistance. Like here, it has been working as a very strong resistance for the past several days, and here it has been working as a support. And after this move here, again this zone worked as a very strong support, and after this rejection we had another bounce by the support zone. And today the price line is dropped up to $301, very close to this support zone. It is possible that the price line will once again test this support zone. This is the key level support. The price line should be moved above this zone to continue its rally. If I place this trend line here on this daily time frame, then we are still in uptrend, and the price line is breaking down this uptrend line right now. But if it will have another bounce by this very strong support zone, then it can move above this very nice long-term uptrend line support on the daily time frame. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame, and before that I would like to show you one more thing on the daily time frame. I just forgot to tell you that this is the stochastic oscillator, and we can see that whenever the price line is moving at the support of this uptrend line, and the oscillator is visiting the oversold zone, we are having nice move to the upside. Like previously, here it moved at this support, we had a nice move. Here when the price action first time tested this support, we had this oscillator in the oversold zone, we had a nice rally. And here right now the price action, even though it's breaking down the support line, but it is still above this very strong support zone, the price level support zone, and the stochastic has entered the oversold zone again, and there is not a big room for the stochastic to move more down. Therefore a reversal is possible from this very strong support zone. Now let's move to the weekly time frame. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I was previously following as a descending broadening wedge, and after getting bounced by this support of this broadening wedge, the price action went very close to this resistance. I was expecting that this time it will again hit the resistance, as every time whenever it is getting bounced by this support, it is hitting the resistance of this broadening wedge. And here after this move, after these candlesticks, we can see that the price action started forming lower highs. Like previously it formed higher low, higher high, but from here it was started forming lower highs. Therefore this move has been changed from broadening wedge to a falling wedge right now, we can see. And this is the same support of this broadening wedge, but the resistance has been changed to this falling wedge. And right now the price line, after getting rejected by this resistance, it is moving down, and this is the exponential moving average 21. After when the previous big rally was started and rejected by this resistance of this falling wedge, when it moved down, this EMA 21 worked as a very strong support. We had a very long spike beyond this EMA 21, but the price line reversed back and eventually broke down this EMA 21 here, and used the support of this falling wedge and reversed back, broke out this EMA 21, retested this breakout by confirming this, retesting the previous resistance of the EMA 21 as a support, and moved up, and now it is again rejected. This time we are having a confirmed very strong support zone starting from $300 and going to $270, and this is the support zone I'm just going to place here. Right now you can see we are having this support zone and this EMA 21 at the very same level. Therefore the price line can use this level as a very strong support, and it can be reversed bullish, as we can see that this stochastic has already entered the oversold zone on the daily time frame. Now if we take a look at the weekly stochastic, let me show you the weekly stochastic as well, then it has given the sell from the overbought zone. But this is not a big deal because previously we have been receiving these sells, but after every sell, whenever we are having any strong support, like we had this support here and here, and here we had the support of the falling wedge, but at that time the stochastic was already entered the oversold zone, therefore the price line reversed bullish. But previously when we watch here, then stochastic was moving down from the overbought zone to the oversold zone after giving sell, but whenever the price line was reaching at this same level of support from $300 to $270, and sometimes at EMA 21 as well, it was using them as a very nice support, and it was getting reversed to the upside. Right now we have again the same situation. The stochastic has given the sell, but on the daily time frame the stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and we are reached at the EMA 21 support, and we are also testing very strong support zone. So it's possible maybe we will have a spike up to $270 because this support zone goes to $270, and you can see whenever the price line moves here, sometimes it enters in this support zone, or sometimes it gives a spike up to the end of the support zone and reverse bullish. So it is possible that maybe we will have a long spike up to this level and it can reverse. So let's see what will happen in the future. I'm expecting a bounce from this very strong support zone, and in fact this falling wedge is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community, and there is a very strong possibility that after some more movement in this falling wedge, or maybe right now after this reversal, we will finally have a breakout from this wedge. And once we will have a breakout, then the price line can set a new highest price ever in the history of Kusama. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video description. Take care. Goodbye.